All right, parents. I'm talking to myself too. The kiddos are heading back to class, so it's time again to pack those lunches.
Yeah, let's bring in the expert with the ideas, and that is cookbook author and baker Courtney Hill. Welcome back.
Hello, thanks for having me.
We love having you because you're always whipping up something delicious. And our first question, are you ready for the kids to go back?
I am.
She's ready.
I am ready, yes. I mean, you know, they're 13 this year, so they're just getting bored.
Yeah.
You know, and so it's like, okay, I think we're ready to go back, and we've had a good summer, but let's get back to the schedule.
Yeah, I agree. It's time to send them to their, you know, their other parents for 9 months. No. All right, so what are you showing us today?
Okay, we are going full on trad wife here. We are going to make homemade bread for sandwiches and homemade tortillas for wraps.
Okay.
So I was telling you guys, I love thrifting, and I've got most of this at the thrift store. So a bread maker is a lifesaver.
So fully functioning bread maker.
Yes. And I think it was $10. Maybe 20 if you get a nice one. But this, you dump it all in there, press the button, and it's done. I mean, after 4 hours, it just comes out as a loaf of bread.
Oh
guys.
my gosh, look at that.
I know. Look at this.
And then you put it in here.
Yes. Sorry, I'll put that there. So I found this at the thrift store too, because the key is like you want it to be like store-bought.
Right.
Yeah.
So the key of that is slicing it.
Okay,
so you have an electric knife, which works really good, and then this bread slicer, and you just.
Okay.
Oh, that's it.
That's it.
Okay, can I try?
So try it. So go through the next one.
All right,
there.
go through the next
Careful,
one. Okay.
Tony.
Yeah. And
All
you
right,
just
now
push the button
this
down.
button right here. Okay.
Yeah.
She got this.
Look at
And
me.
line it up. Yep.
Oh, trad wife, who dis?
Let's try one without. My one got a little thin.
All right. That's
Here,
it.
let's line up. Yeah, white.
Right there.
No,
Okay,
wait. This. There we go. There we go.
There you go.
About to be a.
Yeah, and look, I mean, it's like.
Oh my gosh, that is so
soft
good.
and squishy.
Let
and
me try.
Fresh bread coming to a school lunchbox near
This
you.
is
And
so
this
soft.
is wheat, honey wheat. So just like you'd buy at the store. And yeah, I mean, it
feeling,
doesn't
Carrie?
last as long as store-bought
Courtney.
bread. But if you make it the day fresh, it's.
I need a bread maker on my Amazon cart right now.
Yes. And then, you know, wraps are also a great way to have a sandwich.
Yeah.
So these are both sourdough discard recipes. I forgot to mention that. But they're on my blog as well. Just the dump all the ingredients there, hit the wheat start button.
Okay.
And this one, you make the dough in a bowl and you let it set for like 30 minutes. And then you separate it out into tortilla-sized balls.
Okay.
And so you're just going to want to, and then smash that down.
There we go.
And you don't have to have a tortilla press. It just kind of makes it easier.
Makes it more fun.
But you know, it really doesn't get it as thin as you want it anyway. So
but
you
that's
really
to
need
roll
to,
it, yeah.
you need to roll it out thinner than that. But and then you just, you know, as thin as you can get it, and you put it in a skillet.
And that's easy peasy.
Easy peasy. You make these in advance, stick them in the fridge, and then you've got. So I have 2 different wraps here. One of them is kind of a spin on my turkey surprise sandwich in my book, which is basically turkey sandwich dipped in Italian dressing.
Yeah.
Ooh.
So good.
So I have a question because I feel like I do this. Like I really do go all out for like the first 2 weeks. Like I'm making sure that breakfast is made like a hearty breakfast, not just cereal, but we're talking pancakes or some form of meat and eggs. At what point do you kind of like get tired of that? You're just like, you know what? Here goes a granola bar.
Yeah, well,
some
you know,
orange juice.
they're 13 now, so they're making their own lunch
Love it.
I love
and their own
it.
breakfast. Yeah.
Okay. You know, and TJ is there as well.
Yes.
But because I'm like very protective, I'm like, okay, give me that. Turn that off. Don't burn anything. Don't burn the house down. How are we feeling, Carrie? Carrie hasn't said a word since she got that piece of bread.
This is such good bread, you guys. One thing about me, I love carbs.
Yeah.
This is so good, Courtney.
And this
Thank
is
you.
so fast.
And so the tortilla, you want to wait till it kind of puffs up in the middle.
Okay.
Yeah.
But then you're just, you know, turning on both sides. If you like it a little darker, get it a little darker. Other than that, though, you've got your nice tortilla.
All right.
And
Listen,
You leave that loaf here, Courtney.
They roll. They do all sorts of great things.
this is amazing.
And you know, you don't have the preservatives.
We can make wraps and have Taco
all that
Tuesday.
stuff.
I'm just be over here eating my bread.
So this wrap here is a barbecue one, and it's got some ranch, some barbecue, and those little crunchy onions.
Oh my gosh.
They sell that at my kids' school for lunch, so I got that idea there.
Okay.
It's so delicious.
Yeah.
Courtney,
Well,
we
thank
appreciate
you.
it.
We do
Thanks for having
appreciate
me,
All the
guys.
ideas.
So good.
We'll see you next month.
Okay.
Yeah,
More.
for more on Courtney and her cookbook, just head to cookhomemade.net.